Madugong laban ng Basilan versus Bataan sa pangunguna ng former member ng SMB Dead Squad na sina Alex Cabagnot.
Cabagnot, a three. And here comes Alex Cabagnot getting a running start. He gets the bounce.
At Spider-Man Arwin Santos. Nagulat ang lahat. Parang bumalik prime si Spider-Man Santos.
Sit to the Spider-Man. Santos. Oh, got it.
Naging sobrang pisikalan ang laban na ito na humantong sa madugong bakbakan sa pool si Arwind.
Balik sa Bataan ang bola.
Labanan sa ilalim.
Tempra on the move. Tempra blocked by Vera. Tiningnan pa.
This space really is.
Lang natin. Nakita dito ni William Bing. A push by Alex Cabagnot. Beto has returned. It's a hard foul. Okay. A lot of things happening. Oh no. Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Arwin Santos and Cap Dagangon. Bataan naman, on the other hand, will feel Bataan certainly getting young
guards that's gonna come in later in the game, but the important thing for Basilan is really just to keep pace, and so long as you're hitting threes from outside, that's gonna help.
Now they go to Sazon. Sazon launches the three. It's good.
Well, Gab Dangangon should be more on
Sa kanan. Hubert is open. He knocks it down. Init na simula ng dalawang kupunan na. Well, challenge. Kaduyak sends this one to Eman Calo. Leaves it to the Spider-Man, Arwin Santos.
One of the very few times.
Few more game with one extra. May konting tulak dun kay Kapulong. But Dagangon is starting out hot in this ball game. To Santos, here comes Eves. Eves for three. Got it.
Well, both these teams love to take threes.
Waits for Gab. Gab could not get the roll. Balik sa Bataan ang bola. May bumagsak.
Labanan sa ilalim eh.
Nangyari dito. Oh no. Oh no. It is a foul. But the air hit his face.
Oh.
Hangin.
Hangin ang tumama.
Ang tumama.
Really not so good para dito sa Bataan. Every white shirt in there on the drop coverage, closing out the gaps.
To pull to within three, the Star Horse, Eves could not get the roll. Gabawan sticks it back in with the reverse.
Well, if not for that activity by
yung dalawang players na yan. Cabagnot, a three.
So dangerous. Alex Cabagnot.
The turnaround. That won't go. He gets the tap inside. Mitchell Maynez gets his first basket of the game.
Now that is one. Pagtatahi ng Opensa, driving inside the paint, pretty much in control. Pastorando with a free three.
He knocks it down. Jimboy.
Basilan.
Ramirez gets it to Vento. He'll shoot and score. Been quite impressive here. Yung Gulman niya, no? He likes to mix it up physically. Not that.
At that time, but he was late. He was late. Bataan, when they get the rebound, hirap sila bago nila makuha.
Mahari banks in the three.
High off the glass by John Mahari together. And, maganda rin ang kombinasyon nito in Zamboanga.
Tempra on the move. Tempra blocked by Vera. Tiningnan pa pero nandun si Adi Santos for the finish.
This space really is famous. Slow down that fast break opportunity for Bataan. Good kick out by Hubert Cani.
Bringas knocks it down.
Yes. At ganun siya, ganun yung impact niya sa laro. Oh, nice give and go.
That was pretty. James Tempra. Not Tocalo. Santos. Oh, got it. Arwin Santos. How many times has he done?
He just, on understands vision and when to find open teammates.
Capullo
JL's gotta take it, yeah.
fires on it.
Definitely gotta take it. One of the para dito kay William Bing, he's got good perimeter touch din naman.
Calo talking about that perimeter touch. Basina with a response.
Perimeter shooter, Eman Calo.
Mitchell Maynez drives right at Kaduyak, gets inside the paint, and powers through for two.
There you go. That's
Yves Sanson, Carl Bringas, and JL Capullo para naman sa Bataan. Here comes Alex Cabagnot getting a running start. He gets the bounce right there. 9 points for Alex Cabagnot.
a little dry action, trying
10 seconds on the shot clock. Sanson will drive. Sanson will spin and lay it in off the glass.
ibang klase yung finish na yun.
He was cheap, pero ramdam natin ang impact dito ni William Bing. A push by Alex Cabagnot.
A little bit delayed on that attack by Bataan. Good feed, good shot
Concepcion with a three.
from there.
Kani launches, got it.
Bawiga. Oh, Pastoran's hurt. He got hit by a hard screen.
Yeah.
Kani was lifting for that shot with flash. You know.
I don't think that's a three. It's only a two.
Oh, that was a two? Adi Santos.
Santos down low they go. Cabagnot. Easy two.
Simple flex action.
Game.
Boy, do they need Dante Baguio to be active here. And it starts off with a rebound, but Austin says, you know, you lead me up.
Press, and he was a tough shot to come up with. At Mitchell Maynez again powering through. That's his second 3-point.
Every time you try to drive that gap, somebody stunts.
Wow, what a move. Mitchell Maynez. The crossover.
Back off of it, and you just gotta execute real well in succession.
Bento has returned. That's a hard foul by Gabawan on Tempra.
I expect the fouls to be harder
They
now.
are going to fix it. They are going to fix it. Definitely. It's Bento right here. There's a foul above the shoulder.
Wait, correction. Last call was an unsportsmanlike foul on Jamil Gabawan for excessive hard contact.
Okay. The week. In every game. As Arwin Santos gets that one to drop.
Sabi,
More efficiency. Kahit sa depensa, no, with the energy that they put in defensively. Okay. A lot of things happening. A lot of things happening right there. No, medyo.
he can just turn it on and turn it off anytime, but right now, as we see a knockdown elbow jumper again, almost from the seats.
Now, Bataan is in penalty with, almost 7 minutes to play. Eman Calo.
Feel that defensive gap covered. 3 on its way. Oh.
Yes. Got it. Arwin Santos. 10 and 8 na Mindoro.
Yes.
And Davao is also finding their form. Pero, wow. Who is this guy, right? 13 points para kay Arwin Santos. Bento banks in the 3.
So far, scored 9.
Kakabalik lang niya dito sa MPBL eh. And look at Arwin altering the shot of Bringas.
And they got numbers.
No.
Is there blood? Oh, meron nga
Might be a cut. A look of concern from Yvette
14 to shoot.
Santos right there.
That's a good play. Let's see here. Ito yung tumama. Ano ba yung tumama?
Yun, pagbagsak ni Yambing. Pagbagsak
yeah,
na
pagbaba ng kamay.
Pagbaba ng kamay.
Right. Hadap on hustle, right?
Yeah. Kasi it's a nice shot. Yves Sazo nails the 3. No, libre si Yambing, but Kani takes a step back 3, and he gets that one to drop.
And so far, it's been
On the right wing now with Santos. Down low they go. It's Eman Calo. Pretty against Jeff Santos. Arwin is waiting. Arwin will fire. Arwin will hit.
Taas na shooting percentage niya dito sa second half. Challenge.
And this is too easy. This is comfort level. There's led by a couple of veterans, Arwin Santos and Alex Cabagnot, and Eman Calo to some extent also helping out Andy Santos.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!